Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for using Facebook on your PC. In today's video, we'll show you how to let your friends interact with your public profile information. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by visiting the website or launching the app on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Settings to proceed. Step 5. From the left-hand side, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 6. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Public Posts. Step 7. Next to Public Profile Info, click on the button. Step 8. Finally, select Friends to allow your friends to interact with your public profile information. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to let your friends interact with your public profile info on Facebook using your PC. Now you can enjoy the benefits of sharing your public profile information with your trusted circle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.